Mike and Lori with Hamburg Honey. So I've seen a lot of videos of people recording virgin queens getting ready to take their mating flights, and they talk about it, but we never really talk about drones and how they emerge, and they sexually mature for 2 weeks after they emerge before they can take their mating flight. So on this first frame, I'm gonna turn it around for you. You can see the drone cells over here. Those ones that are standing out are drone cells, and some of them have emerged, and they're walking around the hive, and they stay in the hive like that, eating for about 2 weeks while they become sexually mature so they could take their mating flights. And once they could take their mating flights, they will fly out and they will congregate in DCAs, or also known as drone congregating areas. And I'm flipping this over looking for one of the drones. I saw some in there. There's one. Right here, Mike. Look at this big drone right here. He is big. And the way they defend their hives is that when you open their hive, I'm not using smoke today, and you don't use smoke, they will sometimes fly in your face and buzz as loud as they can. They can't sting. They don't have stingers. I play with them all the time. I hold them. They're gentle. But you could see him walking around, and basically they're going to stay in the hive 2 weeks after they emerge to sexually mature for 2 weeks, and then they will take their mating flight just like a virgin queen would take her mating flight. They'll congregate with a bunch of other drones from a bunch of other hives and watch for a virgin queen to fly by. And if they don't mate, they'll come back to their hive, or sometimes they drift and go into other hives. We've seen drifting a lot with drones. And they'll stay here till the next day, weather being good, and they will continue until they do find a virgin queen they can mate with. So, and keep in mind that drones are also an important part of the hive, even though they don't collect pollen, they don't collect nectar, they don't take care of the queen or clean cells or make wax, but it's still important that they get out and mate with that queen, so we can keep genetics going and keep the hive alive. So this has been Mike and Lori with Hamburg Honey. Today's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mother beekeepers out there, and I hope you can get out and enjoy your bees.